Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought since it is a new month, it's the beginning of August, so happy 1st of August, I thought I would sit down and share with you products that I've been loving for the month of July and some products that aren't really worth your hard-earned money. I've got around 9 products to share with you, a mix of both favorites and fails, but before I get into all the details, if you love all things skincare, make sure you subscribe because that's all we do on this channel. Now let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I've got a total of 6 products that I'm loving and 3 that I'm not really enjoying. They're not necessarily fails, but more like products that didn't work for me. And I'll get into all the details. Let's start with one of my favorite products, and it is by the brand Inkey, and it's the Retinol eye cream. I have been loving this eye cream. I didn't have high hopes for this. I've heard so many people complaining about it separating and irritating their eyes, and some people said it did absolutely nothing. I've had it for a while and I wasn't really excited to use it because of all these reviews, but eventually I decided to do so and I'm so glad I did. I am absolutely in love. I haven't been using it for a long time, but for the short time I've been using it for, it has done so much for my eye area. It's definitely looking smoother, younger, the wrinkles are less prominent, so excited to continue using this. I will be doing a full review of this product sometime in the future once I use up the entire tube and I form a much more solid opinion, but it is definitely a favorite so far. Number 2 is a product that's not new to me, but I haven't been using it for a while. It is by the brand Whamisa and it's the Organic Flowers Toner in Deep Rich. This is a hydrating toner. I have used this in the winter and I really did enjoy it. It is very viscous, like the water is quite thick. It is very hydrating and it's definitely suitable for dry skin and not really oily skin, and that is why I stopped using it in the summertime. But for the past week my skin has been feeling a little bit dry, so I decided to take this out and I used it, and it kind of reminded me of how good of a hydrator this is. It is so good at hydrating. It feels very luxurious and luscious. It is thick but absorbs into the skin. I absolutely love it. If you have dry skin and you're looking for a toner for winter time, I would say this is more of an essence than a toner, then you're gonna love this. Definitely recommend. It is on the expensive side, but I can see why. The formula is quite special. Next product is by the brand Aveeno, and it is their Oat Repairing Cream. This is a body lotion that is absolutely lovely. It's got prebiotic oat concentrate, aloe, and provitamin B5. It says here that this was clinically proven effective on distressed skin of adult oncology patients. So it has gone through a little bit of research and definitely has been proven to help distressed skin, and I can definitely attest to this. As I already said, my skin was feeling very dry and I reached for this and I wasn't disappointed. It is thick, very moisturizing, quite occlusive, but absorbs very quickly. And you know, some lotions, they have this elegant texture that absorbs quickly and then there's no tacky residue, but after like an hour you feel like you didn't apply any lotion. This doesn't do that. It absorbs quickly, it does have a luxurious texture, but it also moisturizes for a long time. Even until the next day you can still feel that your skin is moisturized. Absolutely love this, so affordable, such a great product. Let's switch it up and talk about a product that I didn't love. It is by the brand Peace Out, and these are their acne dots. These are essentially acne dots, very similar to Caudalie dots. And let me show you what they look like. Here they are. You can see I have used already 3 of them. I would say I didn't notice a difference after using them. They are a little bit thicker than the ones by Caudalie and they do stick quite well, but I didn't notice that they improved my pimples. I did have quite a few breakouts. Maybe the type of breakouts that I had, this would do nothing for them, but I'm not really sure. In the past, I have used the CosRX ones, and I did notice a difference with those ones, but with this, I didn't. I will continue to use it and update you guys if they end up working on a different type of a breakout. Another product that you see it all over the internet, everybody raves about, it is by the brand Thank You Farmer, and it's their Sun Project Water Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+++. This is a chemical sunscreen, and it is supposed to be like a similar sunscreen to the Purito one. I'm not sure, you guys, this stung my eyes like crazy. I'm not the biggest fan of this. It is quite expensive compared to sunscreens from the drugstore that have very similar formulation and way cheaper, and don't sting my eyes. I will be doing a full review of this product. Hopefully it will be up this week. I will share all the details, but if you're thinking of buying it, I would say hold on, save your money, subscribe, click the bell, and watch my video. I will share with you a great dupe that is very similar to this for a fraction of the price. Next product is a product I would have never bought on my own, but I'm so glad I was able to try it out. It is by the brand Jordan Samuel. It is the Aftershow Treatment Cleanser. This is a first cleanse, very similar to like a cleansing balm. I received this in a goodie bag by Cultbeauty. Oh my god, I am in love. I love this so much. It comes out in a very different texture, like a clear, thick oil, like a balm, but that is transparent, like completely transparent. I have never tried anything similar to this. It is absolutely lovely. I love it so much. I will also be reviewing it on my channel. Actually, a lot of the products that I'm talking about today, I will upload an individual review of them, but this is so good. It removes makeup really well. It feels amazing, doesn't sting the eyes. I would definitely purchase the full size with my own money. It is absolutely lovely. Next product, I didn't expect myself to love this much. It is by the brand Fresh. This is their Sugar Lip Treatment, SPF 15 in the shade Coral. Let me show you what it looks like. The packaging is so nice. This is what it looks like. Mine is in mini size. I received this in, I believe, the Sunset Edit by Cultbeauty. This is what the tint looks like. It is so luscious, so luxurious on the lips. It smells absolutely lovely. The tint is gorgeous. It gives you that kind of plump lip look without, you know, the stinginess of a mint extract or something similar to that in the formulation. I love it, and this is again another product that I would purchase the full size of. Two more products left. One of them is a favorite, and one of them is a product that was kind of disappointing, and it is the Yo Detox by Wishful. Now, Wishful is Huda Beauty's brand. I was so excited to get this. I love body scrubs that have physical exfoliants and chemical ones, and I was hoping that this would be just as good as like the Murad one. That is like one of my absolutely favorite body scrubs of all time. But this is, first of all, for the price, you don't get a lot of product. This is only 100 ml for, I believe, 34 pounds. That's a lot of money. If you're gonna use this on the body, you're gonna run through it almost immediately within like 2-3 uses. And the thing is, it does absolutely nothing. If you've tried the Wishful Yo Glow, the one in the yellow tube, that one is supposed to be for the face, and this one I thought was supposed to be for the body. But after I compared both of them, they are literally the same. They have almost the same basic ingredients, and you know, it is that kind of a gimmicky exfoliating treatment where you put it on your skin, and then as you rub it in, it starts to pill up, and a lot of people think it's their skin that's pilling up. That is definitely very gimmicky. It's not really your skin. It's just a product drying up and sort of pilling up on its own without any skin. So whatever residue you find or you see on your skin is not really skin. It's just the product itself. I hope I'm making sense. But the trick is that product needs to work on dry skin so that it can dry out and sort of pill up and give you that fake sensation. And when you're in the shower and using this, it doesn't dry out because your body is wet, so it literally just feels like a serum on your body that does nothing. I would say this has chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid and a bunch of other acids. Probably if you put it on your body and wait a little bit, you will get a little bit of exfoliation, but no physical exfoliation whatsoever. I was so disappointed. I put it on my body. It literally did nothing. So yeah, I mean, I would have loved if they were a little bit more transparent by saying that both of these products, this one and the original one, are almost exactly the same, but they didn't. Of course, they want to sell you the new one. Anyway, enough of me rambling about this product. If you were thinking this is like a stronger formula than the original one, then it's not. Just stick to the original one. You don't need to buy this. And yes, it does have a little bit of charcoal, but I don't think it makes any difference. Final product on this list is by The Ordinary, and it is their Pycnogenol 5% serum. So this is an antioxidant serum. It's quite heavy. It's like a thick oil, and that kind of threw me off at the beginning. I wasn't comfortable using it on my skin in the morning. It was just feeling very thick and heavy under my moisturizer. But I would say the trick of using this is by applying a teeny tiny bit and really spreading it all over. And you really need the tiniest amount to spread it on your entire face. And by doing so, it does give you the benefits without feeling heavy. And after using it consistently like that, I did notice a beautiful glow in my skin. And I definitely attribute that to this product. It is amazing. It does come in a small size. It's a little bit on the expensive side. It's not expensive by any means, but definitely one of the most expensive products from The Ordinary. Especially considering how much you're getting. You only get half an ounce compared to the 1 ounce size you'd get with other products. But I would say it is definitely worth it. Let me show you the color. It comes in this like really dark red color. This is the color. It has a little bit of a strong scent too. But yeah, you just need like 1 drop or 2 drops and then that's it. And that was the last product in July favorites and fails. Let me know what was your favorite product for the month of July. I would love to try it out if I haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give your girl a like and subscribe to my channel for my future content. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.